Hi everyone, today we have this platform called Relayto, and this is the best PDF and presentation converter. Now, before we begin, you can head over to the link in the description to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses onto the platform Relayto. Talking about its integrity and features, you can see we have various type of PDFs and presentation converting systems in here. So if you want to simply go for with a PDF, you can see we have that in here. You can upload your own content using this option, whether it is a web document, your video file, or a link which is embedded, like for example from YouTube. Now of course these come with different plans that you need to apply for to get started with. You can simply get yourself uploaded with different type of PDF files that you want to do. So you can see we have this sample file already generated here for beginning. So you can click on this start option and everything is basically available in here. You have this generate option from where you can create different type of slides and all this type of presentation systems. Now you have the studio on the top and your settings using which you can create different type of interactions, like for example interactivity. You can even record the segment that you are playing. You have this animator which is AI based, and this is also a pro feature. So now if we switch back to our home page, you will be able to see that we currently have our hubs in here as well. So you can also create different type of hubs. Click on this plus icon, upload your files, and this will be basically a group of content that you're going to be uploading. Also you can work collaboratively, so anything that you're going to be sharing with your friends or your friends are going to be sharing with you is going to be listed in this section. You can head over to your settings to control your account and modify according to your demands. And yeah, so basically now talking about Relayto's reviews, it have some really nice reviews, like for example my journey with Relayto. You can see 5-star ratings, heavenly tool for making documents beautiful, and much more. So you can give it a try to Relayto using the link in the description below to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much for watching guys, stay tuned and see you in the next video.